have an incoming call about their ride.
Hello?
Hi there, it's Sophia. I just ordered the lift. It says you're here, but I don't see you.
Yeah, I'm a little bit ahead. When I got the alert, I wasn't able to pull over, so I'm over next to the crosswalk. So if you walk up the street a little bit, I'll be where the crosswalk is at.
The crosswalk where?
The crosswalk up the street, if you go up First Street, there's a crosswalk, and then basically I'm parked kind of like, not legally parked, but I'm kind of like wedged between a parked car and another parked car. And hey, Sophia?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Are you for Sophia?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, so, yeah, are y'all guys for Sophia?
What's the cross street?
Yeah, it is, but it's for Sophia's. I just had two guys jump into the car. Yeah, it's... Oh, that's me, yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I'm picking up two guys, right?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm picking up two
Hello?
guys.
No, it's for Sophia?
Okay, yeah, Sophia, so, yeah, so you're on a lift line, so there's apparently other people to pick up too, so this have to arrive from arrival.
You know what? It's okay. I'll just get another lift. But
Okay,
thank you.
no problem. Alright.
Next stop.
Dropping off
Alright.
Sophia.
Call ended.
Alright, never picked
Next
her.
stop. Dropping off Mandy.
Alright, yeah.
She's in.
She was just, I don't know, she's just tripping out, dude. I don't like, you know, fucking girls these days, dude. Like, whatever, dude. Like, and